That's how you can remove the pin from the watch to decrease the size if you are feeling this it's a big one. So that's how you can remove it. Stay and watch. Yeah, okay, you can see the pin is removed now. So you have to use this pin again. Just don't forget to remove this plastic from the watch first of all. Then what we will do, we will remove second pin. Just we have to remove this part from the inside the watch, and then we will fix back again, so it will be fit on your wrist. You can find this tool from AliExpress and Amazon, eBay. Sometime if you buy a Chinese watch, you will get it in the box like this. You have to insert back pin. Yeah, take flat screwdriver and fix it well like this. Okay, one we just removed one. You can try this if it's fit on your wrist. Okay, otherwise you can remove one more. I will see. So I think it's still loose. What do you say? You need to remove? No, it's loose. Yeah. I had removed already one, and will remove one more, and then it will be fit on my wrist. You can do it at home rather than to take it to any watch shop. So these pins are important. If you want to put back again this part, you can use these pins. So that's how I removed one more. These parts I removed, and now it's already fit on my wrist. So that's with this machine you can remove the pins, and you can adjust it according to your wrist. Hope you will like. Yeah, now you can see it's adjusted on my wrist. Very cool. Before it was very loose, now it's fine. You can see.